Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ihsan Fakhiuddin. Today, I will explain the first topic of this project one, which is software and operating system. What is an operating system? Operating system, or in short, OS, is a software that acts as an interface between computer hardware components and the user. Every computer system must have at least one operating system to run other programs. So just like application like browsers, Microsoft Office, Notepad, games, etc., need some environment to run and perform its tasks, and its name is operating system. The OS helps you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. Also, it's not possible to the user to use any computer or mobile device without having an operating system. Because the program is cannot be run without an operating system. This is the key points about operating system. The first is resource management. The OS allocates and manages resources such as CPU, memory, storage, and input or output devices. Second, the service to application. Application programs interact with the OS through application programming interfaces, or in short, APIs. Third, user interface. Users interact with the OS through different interfaces. Command line, or in short CLI, or graphical, in short GUI. Fourth, low-level functionality. OS manages low-level tasks like device drivers, network, interfaces, and disk storage. This is the types of operating system. First, batch operating system. It doesn't interact directly with the computer. Instead, an operator groups similar jobs with the same requirement into batches. Second, multi-programming OSs. Allows multiple programs to reside in main memory simultaneously, improving resource utilization. Third, multi-processing OSs. It utilizes more than one CPU for executing tasks. Fourth, time-sharing OS. It enables multiple users to share the CPU simultaneously. Fifth, distributed OS. It practices presenting your deck beforehand with friends or colleagues for feedback, then use this input to refine it further. 6. Network OS. This network OS is focused on server-based data management. And 7. Real-time OS, or in short, RTOS. It used in application where timing is critical, for example, robotics, aerospace, etc. This is the types of operating system interface. There are two types with each. The first is command line interface, or in short CLI. This is a text-based interface where users types command to launch programs. So there's only a text on the screen and users might type the command with the keyboard to launch the program. And the second is graphical users interface, or in short GUI. This is visual interface with icons like this, windows, and menus. Users don't need to type in the program or the command. Users just click the icon to launch the program, and the program is launched. Okay, this is the topic of the project, which is computer hardware. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware includes the physical parts of the computer. For example, CPU, or central processing unit, RAM, or random access memory, monitor, which is the display, keyboard is the input device, also the mouse is the input device to move the pointer, which processes the input according to the instructions provided to it by the user and give the desired output. The computer has two major components, which is hardware and software. But in this slide, I only explain about computer hardware only. This is the key points about computer hardware. So there's two, which is the first is internal components. This is these components reside inside the computer case, also known as the tower of or chassis. This includes motherboard, CPU, GPU, power supply, RAM, SSD, etc. The second is external peripherals. These devices connect to the computer via ports or plugs that are usually called peripherals. This is the external device, yeah. This peripheral includes keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers, and microphone. So this is the input devices of the peripherals, which is the first is keyboard. The keyboard is a peripheral that has a set of keys that enable you to type text and numbers and perform various other inputs. Second is a mouse. Mouse is an input peripherals to move the cursor virtual pointer like this is the mouse and interact it with the elements on the screen. Third is microphone. A microphone records audio and turns it into an electrical signal that your computer can understand. Which is what I've been talking right now is to input the microphone. Second is output devices. First is monitor. Monitor is a display that display on screen graphics that your computer graphics card outputs. Second is speakers and headphones. This device output audio from your computer. For example, if you listen to the music, you listen it from the speakers or the headphones. The third is printers. Both paper and 3D printers can produce tangible outputs in the form of printed material. Thank you. That's my topic of this project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.